Hello everyone, good morning. It's Larry FX Academy again, and today I'm actually going to be talking about the Guaranty Trust Holding Company, which is the GTBank. Now we have price at 54.50 cents, which is 54 naira 50 cents for a unit of this particular stock. Now, for me, I would simply and clearly say that Guaranty Trust Holdings has actually gotten to their all-time high, you understand, which is 57.5 cents, you understand, 57 naira 5 cents. So, what can we simply say about this particular stock? This stock actually have had their break of structure at this price point, which was during the, sorry for this, during the January of 20, 2015. 2015, during 2015, they had a break of structure at this point during May 2017. So now it gave us that break of structure, gave us the swing high and the swing low. Understand? So now using our Fibonacci, if we should mark from the swing low to the swing high, we would clearly understand that. Okay, sorry. Let's confirm. Okay, we are good. Sorry about that, guys. Let's just it's network as usual. So let's see. Let me switch to the smaller time frame. I don't know, we are having a little bit of network issue and it will be resolved shortly. Okay, so I would simply just reload it so we can see what it shows us. So reloading it would select back our GTBank. So you can see Guaranty Trust Bank Holdings. Yeah, good. So yeah, so all our analysis has been placed back just as we did. So now I simply send something. So what we simply do is we mark from the swing low to the swing high, and that made me bring out the Fibonacci tool we use. We do our marking. Now, this stock actually, I wasn't really interested in stocks. I mean Nigerian stocks for a while, but I saw that they're actually doing well, so that's why I decided to talk about them. So if you look at this stock, it actually gave us from the swing low to the swing high. You clearly would see that, which is this low to the point where we got our break of structure, this swing high. You will clearly see that the stock did something impressive. And what was that? You will clearly see that this stock got to retest our 0.79 level, which is our level of interest, a point where if market gets to that point, we are always interested in purchasing it. And that was during it got into the price of 22, where it got into our price was $22. I mean 22 naira 25 cents. And the overall point these two stocks, this GT stock got to was 16 naira 65 cents. That was the lowest point this price got to. And then from that point, it has rallied up. It rallied up into the 57 naira, which is huge profit actually, if I may say, huge profit. So if you had purchased from this price point and using this pattern, you'll be looking at taking profit at this current price. So you'll be looking at taking profit at this current price. So what will I simply say? If you've not purchased the stock, we'll simply do what? We'll be waiting for it to give us its retracement to the downside. You understand? It has started this price, which is good. So we want to see a retracement to the downside for us to initiate our entry again for a new buy. So let's look at the structure on the smaller time frame. So maybe we can use that to decide what to do. We can go to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, the internal structure also has been met. So on the weekly time frame, this is the structure we would have looked at to take our trade during this year, the period of 2024 to this year. Was this: we had our swing low, break of structure at this point, then our swing low and our swing high, we mark it through. So price also did the same thing, came back into the 0.618 level for an entry. So if you had bought at price 35 naira, you would have actually made profits through the rally to this upside where it hit take profit. So these are the two price levels you would have decided to purchase. So for now, what are we simply going to do on the Guaranty Trust Bank stock? I would simply say one straight thing, which is we would wait for a retracement on these stocks. We would wait for a retracement on the stock. We got to know about this stock. It's not still late because there's no time which is late. We would simply wait. Two entries, you would have bought more heavily at this point, and when it's rallied up, gave the structure, gave a little bit of retracement, you buy more. So this is what we have for our Guaranty Trust Bank. You understand? Guaranty Trust Holding Company stock. So that is what we have for it. We would simply, this stock actually is going to be breaking this high and creating new points where maybe we can see price get to 100 naira for one of these stock. I actually I'm confident they will do that. So that is it for the Guaranty Trust Bank stock. So I'm confident they are going to get to 100. So we'll be riding with them to that price. But in the meantime, let's allow these guys break to the top side, give us a retracement, and then we can look out for an entry. We'll look at them breaking to the upside, give us a little retracement for us to enter, and then we'll ride with them to the price of 100. You understand? Then maybe that level will be a level for take profit and all of that. Now, one other thing you can see is you can see this price rally from this point to that 100, then make it retracement for us to enter. So if price actually does give us a retracement, if you are really so inquisitive, you want to buy a Guaranty Trust Holdings, it's actually not still a bad price to purchase. You can actually still purchase now and just understand that you're going to be holding for a really long term, like 5 years. So that is what we have for the Guaranty Trust Bank stock. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace, one love. Larry FX Academy. Peace out.